Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up your Bitget passkey. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open your Bitget app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, log in to your Bitget account with your compatible device browser. Once logged in, tap on this dotted icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your account security settings. Here, tap on Biometric Authentication and tap on Add button in the bottom. Review the information provided regarding setting up a passkey. Once done, you will be prompted to unlock your device to create the passkey. On Google devices, use facial, fingerprint, scan, PIN or pattern to unlock depending on your device lock settings. After unlocking your device, you should be automatically directed to your Bitget home screen indicating the passkey setup process is completed. Just note that setting up a passkey adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more resistant to unauthorized access and ensures to keep your device and passkey secure to prevent unauthorized access to your Bitget account. So that's basically how you can set up your Bitget passkey. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.